Today, join Roberta and Greg in the heart of Jackson, Wyoming, where they'll walk and tour the iconic downtown area with its unforgettable town square, colorful shops, tasty restaurants, cool sculptures, famous bars, and more in a not-to-be-missed Western Classic right now on Out and About with G&B Unedited. Jackson Hole. I don't know. We do know it's in Wyoming. I think Jackson Hole has to do something with like the ski resorts or something. That's why it's called that. Yeah. But when you walk down these sidewalks, you could do the old John Wayne if you wanted to. Got the boarded sidewalks, and then you got the murals on the wall. Very pleasant. It's 70 degrees. Supposed to max out at 72 tonight. And or not tonight, this afternoon.
Yeah.
Nice cozies.
Yeah, that's really nice in here, isn't it?
Yeah. All sorts of shopping. Might have to get myself a t-shirt even though I said I was done.
Maybe I should get one for myself too.
Yeah. And
then we'll be done.
Yeah.
I know.
Or a coffee mug. You're thinking about getting a coffee mug as well.
Yeah, but maybe I'll get a t-shirt that says Jackson Hole.
Yeah. This looks like the store to do it in, huh?
See? And I do still say Jackson Hole.
Yeah.
So, there you go.
We've been here many times, probably 5 times, I don't know.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Twice in a row I got the same t-shirt, just a different color, because I liked it so much. I wonder if they still have it here from
Oh, let's go chat.
100 years ago. There it is. Funny thing is, they still have the t-shirts that I bought. Got to be 25 years ago. And the second time I came in, I bought the other one. So can't remember which order it was, the blue and the orange or orange and the blue. Amazing. Yeah, so any t-shirt you'd ever want here is in this shop in Jackson Hole. Oh, and then they have the ones in the, I can get them long sleeve too if I want. I think I'm going to get about 3 or 4 of the same one in different colors.
Yeah, I just think
2 short sleeve, 2 long sleeve.
You need a long sleeve shirt.
I'm totally amazed that they have that style still from 100 years ago.
Totally amazing.
Yeah.
I like that.
You like that one, huh? But I can still get this like faded and stuff.
Look at that mustard yellow one, and I'm gonna bong it.
Okay, well I'll get the orange one then. Man, so now I could get this orange colored one in the long sleeve, huh? Yeah. Okay, well I'm pretty excited here. I don't know, Bert said she bought one last time she was here and never wore it. What kind of deal is that? Not that I've not done that before. Wow. Very impressive. The store just keeps on going, right? So downstairs was with toys. So it's just not about the t-shirts and the sweatshirts and the hoodies and all that kind of stuff. But, ooh. And then they got the candies and such. The jams and jellies, syrup. Socks. Ooh. I think we might have bought something in this part of it too. I don't know if this is the store that had like a jackalope. It's one of the famous things here is jackalopes, right? I probably got 5 keychains from here already. Looks good. You want to get it? Keep the sun off your face? Yeah. Could do it. Huh?
The last Cowboy had how many times I wear it?
0. Yeah. Well, then you should get it. That'd be great for a Caribbean cruise, right?
Yeah. I'd stand out.
Oh, look there. And then you got the antlered chandelier. Does it still call a chandelier if it's made out of antlers? That's a good question, isn't it? All right. So we'll find out what time they close, because I will buy one of those T-shirts, 100% for sure. The whole Wyoming is one of our favorite towns of all time. It's hard to say how many times we've been here, but this is kind of the hub of the town right here, where the town square is. We actually love it so much that we watch every Saturday morning. We'll watch a little bit of a live cam from I think it's called Hey Dude Pizza, and
Here's my favorite store. I love this one.
it's real fun.
Some Western thing.
We got the sidewalks are so good. All the restaurants and shops. Cowboy bar, classic in Jackson here. Oh, can't quite see them. We'll get a better angle of them coming up here. Classic. We came here in October one time and saw all sorts of moose, not in the streets here, but in Grand Teton National Park. Such a thrill. Code Red here in Jackson, kind of connected to the Lee's Teas right next to it, and the Roadhouse. They're in cahoots with each other, but yeah, this is nice. Have an 8 to 10 happy hour, kind of a different thing, isn't it? I like their look. They've been open for 2 to 3 months. Looks good. Might have to come back. Jackson, one of the coolest towns of all times. Hey, you know, and it's kind of like, I don't know if they have any off seasons really, with the skiing and so forth.
Yeah, it's a winter town and a summer town.
Yeah. Bert's looking at some jewelry. I'm in trouble now.
I'll be good.
Yeah. The other antler arch. And they have the coolest, I'm going to call it a chandelier. They have that little mall situation here, right across from Town Square. And they have this cool store up here. I think this is where the jackalopes were. Cowboy hats, and
I could smell the leather.
can't you? Isn't it? Yeah, Bert can smell the leather. It's lovely. Cowboy hat, anybody? Of course, the cowboy boots. This makes you want to smile, right?
This is what I'd be wearing.
Oh, kind of like a rhinestone cowboy, huh? Or cowgirl.
Take a while to break those.
Oh, yeah.
Which of those are probably about 500.
Oh, really?
300.
Oh, is that all?
And then they're maybe on sale.
It's all about the kind of the taxidermied animals in cute shots and poses and so forth, huh? Yeah, I got the skunk, and yeah, these guys are pretty cute. It's quite the display, isn't it? It is so cool. And not so cool for the animals themselves, but the display is cool. The raccoons and the squirrels and the skunk. Oh, a ukulele playing raccoon. Neat shop. Get a block off of the main drag there. You have these sculptures by Scott Rogers. Pretty cool. And then you got it's a really nice one here, isn't it? Wow. Too cool. Got all these cool sculptures. Thomas Jefferson and Franklin. Everybody's doing a pose with them, right? It's like Harriet Tubman there. Amelia Earhart. We'll just keep on going. Town Square, Jackson Hole. So fun. Yeah, we got here around close to 2:30. Got our hotel room, which is the closest hotel to Town Square here.
It's like a block, half block.
Yeah.
Crazy.
And so we were able to tour the town quick like. Gonna go to Grand Teton National Park super early in the morning, see if we can catch some moose. And the first thought was just to pack up completely and head to Yellowstone after Grand Teton. And this is a
Memorial?
war memorial.
Wow, nice. Well, I
Right
see.
in the middle of the square.
Gulf War and
Yeah.
different ones.
So this is, I think, fairly
Wow.
new.
World War II.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. World War One.
Yeah.
Huh.
Jackson Hole Veterans Monument. Pretty cool. So, again, I think we will maybe come back. Maybe we won't pack up.
You're right.
I don't know. I mean, we'll pack up, but we'll maybe come back to town. Who knows? We got to do Yellowstone as well. And then the other arch going right into the sunlight. The iconic Cowboy bar here in Jackson. Million dollar Cowboy bar.
Yeah. Let's
Not
go
just the
there.
yeah, we're going to. A lot of people go here to have get some music, entertainment, and so forth. Get their beer. And while you're at it, might as well go to the 5 and Dime General Store here, huh? Oh boy! And this is the $1 Million Cowboy bar here in Jackson, and they have the cool saddles that you can sit on. It's quite the bar. Not unique. There's a play pool as well. And this is fun over here with the saddles that you can sit on. This bar is closed on this side. The murals that they have up on the wall. Fun town. I think a lot of people come here just to sit on the saddles to have their beer. The Longhorn there. See that? That's pretty cool. Saddle again. All right. Yeah, you do. You need a cowboy hat and some spurs. And this is really cool on the way they've designed the partition, so to speak, hold the the roof up. More of a $1 Million bar, cowboy bar. they have a stage here too that you can, music will start playing here a little bit later in the evening. Really start hopping. How fun. Those are some fancy chaps there. Looks like Goldilocks or, yeah. And then you got the spurs.
I got spurs that jingle, jangle, jingle as I go riding merrily along.
All right. This is the Antlered Inn in Jackson, Wyoming. Stayed here many, many moons ago. Look at that nice little mountain behind it there. And the town square is out this way, and our room is up here. Pretty quaint, if you ask me.
We're at Yeah Buddy Pizza. It's up on the second floor here, and it looks down on the intersection of Jackson. And Greg and I, when Saturday mornings come, we stay in bed a little longer. We watch our live videos and drink coffee and eat biscottis. And that's our thing for Saturday mornings, is watching live videos from different places all around the world. But one of our favorites is here, right from Yeah Buddy's pizza place here in Jackson. And so they have a camera almost where I'm standing, and it has it on the intersection. So we sit and drink our coffee in the morning and watch the people come and go shopping and watch the traffic and see if they make it through the intersection okay. Hey, you do different things when you're retired, let me tell you. But anyway, this is a view from Yeah Buddy's and in the intersection that we like to watch our live videos from. And thank you for doing that.
Well, that's it from the always fun Jackson Hole, Wyoming. But the incredibly beautiful Grand Teton National Park lies ahead on the next Out and About with G&B Unedited.